The G-Shock GW6900 is my favorite G-Shock model. I got a whole video about that. And it looks like G-Shock will be updating it soon. Recently they announced a new lineup in collaboration with iCirc, an organization based in Japan that does research and preservation efforts on whales and dolphins. G-Shock has been collaborating with them for a very long time. One of the new models is a variant of the GW6900 that comes with an updated module. G-Shock has been gradually updating some of their old models, with the main upgrade being an LED backlight instead of an electroluminescent one. All the newer models already come with these. There hasn't been explicit confirmation that they will be updating the mainline GW6900, but it's very unlikely they would create a new module and not use it across the board. Last year, G-Shock introduced a new module for the DW6900, and ever since then people have been expecting its solar atomic brother to eventually receive the same treatment. On the surface, this isn't that exciting, like a brighter backlight, big deal. It's not like there was anything wrong with the old EL one. But I'm excited because earlier this year G-Shock re-released a few classic DW6900 colorways that were originally released in 2008. Since they're open to that, I'm hoping they'll also be open to rerunning several of the old GW models. If not that, then hopefully some new colorways. Over the years, the GW6900 line has never seen much action. The few times it got a new variant, it was also at the hands of this JDM collaboration. With so many solar and atomic powered models being successful for G-Shock, I'm hoping this new model means a revitalization for the GW6900 line. And hopefully this isn't just big time cope and we actually do get something good.